कैरियर क्राफ्टर, अपने सफल करियर का निर्माण करें।
Which command is used to select the whole text or documents? The options are Ctrl plus A, Ctrl plus E, Ctrl plus C, or Ctrl plus V. The correct option is Ctrl plus A. Do you know, in computing world, a command is a specific instruction given to a computer, program or operating system to perform a particular task. Which type of software is used to surfing the web? The options are text editor, web browser, operating system or database. The correct option is web browser. Do you know, a web browser is a software application used to access and view website on the internet. Which key is used to delete the character to the left of the cursor? The options are Enter, Delete, Shift or Backspace. The correct option is backspace. Do you know, you can use Ctrl plus backspace to delete the whole word. Which of the following is not a search engine? The options are Firefox, Chrome, Opera or Skype. The correct option is Skype. Do you know, Skype was one of the first platforms to make free, high-quality video calling accessible to the general public over the internet. CD-ROM is a semiconductor memory, memory register, magnetic memory, or none of the above. The correct option is none of the above. Do you know, compact disc read-only memory CD-ROM is a type of optical disc that can store large amount of digital data such as software, games and multimedia files. The output quality of a printer is measured by dot per square inch, dot per inch, dot printed per unit time or all of these. The correct option is dot per inch. Do you know DPI is the standard measurement of a printer's resolution? The maximum amount of data stored by which device? The options are floppy disk, magneto disk, hard disk or compact disk. The correct option is hard disk. Do you know, hard disk is a primary storage device used by the computers to store data permanently. Which of the following is not an input device? The options are monitor, keyboard, mouse or plotter. The correct option is monitor. Do you know, an input device is any piece of hardware that allows you to talk to a computer by sending data, instruction or control signal to it? Who is known as the father of computer? The options are James Gosling, Bjarne Stroustrup, Dennis Ritchie or Charles Babbage. The correct option is Charles Babbage. Do you know, Charles Babbage was the first person to realize that a machine could do more than just simple math. What is the full form of CPU? The options are Computer Processing Unit or Computer Principal Unit or Control Processing Unit or Central Processing Unit. The correct option is Central Processing Unit. Do you know the CPU is the primary component of a computer that acts as its brain? Computer understands which of the following language? The options are C language, binary language, machine language or assembly language. The correct option is binary language. Do you know computers use a code called ASCII to translate binary into characters? Which of the following is called the brain of computer? The options are CPU, memory, ALU or control unit. The correct option is CPU. Do you know CPU have a small electronic chip located on the motherboard that carries out all the instructions of a computer programming by performing basics arithmetic, logic and input-output operations? Which computer language is written in binary codes only? The options are Pascal, machine language, C or C++. The correct option is machine language. Do you know machine language consists entirely of binary digits, zeros and ones that a computer CPU can understand and execute directly? Which of the following unit of a computer converts the data received from the user into a computer understandable format? The options are output unit, arithmetic and logical unit, input unit or memory unit. The correct option is input unit. Do you know the input unit performs to bridge the gap between you and the machine? The smallest unit of data in a computer is known as nibble, byte, KB or bit. The correct option is bit. Do you know bit is a short form of binary digit? Which of the following is designed to control the operations of computer? The options are system software, user, utility software or application software. The correct option is system software. Do you know without system software a computer is just a collection of metal and plastic parts? What is the full form of RAM? Random access memory, read access memory, readily available memory or random available memory? The correct option is random access memory. Do you know random access memory is your computer's short-term memory? It is super fast type of storage that holds the data your computer is currently using. Which of the following is the example of operating system? The options are Microsoft Excel, Google Chrome, Adobe Reader or Windows 11. The correct option is Windows 11. Do you know, if you think of a computer as a human body, the hardware is the physical body and the operating system is the nervous system that tells everything how to move or work together. Which device is used to input data into a computer? The options are mouse, keyboard, printer or monitor. The correct option is keyboard. Do you know keyboard is modeled after the traditional typewriter but includes many extra keys for the modern computing tasks? What does URL stands for? The options are Uniform Resource Locator, Universe Resource Locator, Uniform Resource Link or Universal Resource Link. The correct option is Uniform Resource Locator. Do you know a URL is unique address used to locate a specific resource like web page, image or file on the internet? Which of the following is a volatile memory? The options are SSD, hard disk, RAM or ROM. The correct option is RAM. Do you know volatile memory like whiteboard, you can write and read information very quickly, but as soon as the lights go out, the board is wiped completely clean. The main function of an operating system is, the options are creating documents, manage hardware and software resources, browse the internet or perform calculation. The correct option is manage hardware and software resources. Do you know operating system act as an intermediary between the computer's hardware and the user? The full form of GUI is Graphical User Interaction, Guided User Interface, Graphical User Interface or General User Interface. The correct option is Graphical User Interface. Do you know GUI is the type of user interface that allows humans to interact with the computer through visual elements like icon, windows and menus instead of typing text-based commands. What is the function of the control panel in Windows? To edit documents, to play media files, to access web browser or to change settings and control system configuration. The correct option is to change settings and control system configuration. Do you know control panel is a centralized software utility used to view and manipulate system settings? The shortcut key to justify the text in MS Word is Ctrl+V, Ctrl+J, Ctrl+E or Ctrl+C. The correct option is Ctrl+J. Do you know a shortcut key is a specific key or combination of keys that provides a faster way to perform the task or trigger a command?